Student, I am Sandeep Singh, your SST teacher, and this is chapter 3rd, India and its neighbor. In this lesson, we will learn about the neighboring countries of India. So, let's start now. India's neighbor. India is located in the southern part of Asia. It is share boundaries with various countries. On the northern side, India share boundaries with the countries of Nepal, Bhutan, and China. Bangladesh, Myanmar lies to the east of Pakistan and Afghanistan to West Bengal, northwest. First, we know about the what is neighbors. Neighboring countries. The countries who share their borders with other countries. It called neighboring countries. In northern side, the Nepal, Bhutan, China, and Bangladesh and Myanmar are the major countries in northern side, and in the west, Pakistan and Afghanistan, and northwest, Sri Lanka and Maldives. The Maldives is a group of islands which lies to the south of India in Indian Ocean, and Sri Lanka and Maldives are that country which not share their border with India, but they are also neighboring countries of India because it is island country. So an island is a part of land that surrounded by water on all sides. So these countries not share their border with India, but they are also neighboring countries. Okay, in the map we will find the neighboring countries of India, like in northern side the China, Nepal, and northeast side Bhutan. Okay, and eastern side is Myanmar. Okay, this is country Myanmar, and in western side Pakistan, Afghanistan, and in southern side Sri Lanka and Maldives are the neighboring countries of India. Now, states of India. India is a very large country. To make easier rule or govern it is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. We learned the name states, union territories, class 3rd. How much do you remember? In India, there are 28 states and 8 union territories. So, here are some questions raised here, that is, name the union territories, their capitals. So, Andaman Nicobar, its capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh is the capital of Chandigarh. New Delhi is the capital of New Delhi. And Puducherry is the capital is Puducherry. Daman, Dadra and Nagar Haveli is Silvassa. So these are the neighboring countries, union territories of India. The two states and their Chandigarh is the capital. Name the two states which have Chandigarh state their capital. So answer is first is Punjab, which has the which is the capital of Chandigarh, and Haryana also have the Chandigarh capital. So two states are Punjab and Haryana. The states whose capital is Bhopal. The state whose capital is Bhopal. So in this we know about that Madhya Pradesh is the capital of Bhopal. Okay. So now next is this is the capital of states of India and their capitals: Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, New Delhi. So let us start now with capital Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, Ladakh, Leh, उत्तराखंड, देहरादून, हिमाचल प्रदेश, शिमला, पंजाब, चंडीगढ़, हरियाणा, and Punjab and Haryana is Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Bihar, Patna, Sikkim, Gangtok, West Bengal, Kolkata, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Goa, Panji, Telangana, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh is the capital of Amaravati, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, and Tamil Nadu, Chennai and Kerala is the capital of Thiruvananthapuram in eastern side, Assam, Dishpur, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Nagaland, Kohima, Manipur, Imphal, Mizoram, Aizawl, and Tripura, Agartala. So these are the states of Indian Union Territories. Physical features of India. India has a variety of landforms, mountains, hills, plateaus, valleys, plains, rivers, deserts, and coastlines. These are also called the physical features of India. As you know that there are 6 physical divisions of India: the northern mountain, the northern plains, the Thar desert, peninsular plateau, and coastal plains. These are the physical features. So it is the physical features, and we know about that there is lands of diverse. In physical features we can find the physical division of India in the following map, like this is the mountain region, this is the plain areas, and this one is the coastal area, and this is Deccan Plateau. So these are the physical features of India. Okay, so unity in diversity. What is unity? Unity in diversity. India, as we have seen, as a land of great diversity. It has several physical regions which widely varied landforms. So, with widely varied landform, each of these regions had different climate. A question is raised here that why India is called diversity, unity in diversity. भारत को यूनिटी एंड डाइवर्सिटी क्यों कहा जाता है? तो आप जानते हैं कि भारत में अनेक तरह के लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है, अनेक तरह की क्लोथ्स पहने जाते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप्स के डिशेज होते हैं, भोजन होता है, स्पीक लैंग्वेज होते हैं, अलग तरह के रिलीजन्स होते हैं. तो इस कारण से दिस इज कॉल्ड डाइवर्सिटी. बट ऑल इंडियंस united by their shared values and national identity. But in nationality, all Indians are same, and they call their himself Indians. So it is called the unity in diversity. Now let us look at the summing up of the lesson. India share borders with China, Nepal, Bhutan, and northern Bangladesh, Myanmar to east of Pakistan, and Afghanistan to west of northwest island countries, Sri Lanka, Maldives, and southern Indian Ocean. As we look here, the neighboring countries of India share their border with their countries China, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka and Maldives. These are the neighboring countries of India. And next point is India has 28 states and 8 union territories. As we know that India has 28 states and 8 union territories. India has a variety of physical features to north to India are called Himalayan. Okay, as you know that India has land of diverse. There are many types of physical features like mountain, plateau, and deserts and plains. So these are called physical features. The northern plains are very fertile and variety crops grown here. The mostly part of the northern plains are very fertile uh, soil, and it has the called bowl of grains, because there are variety of crops are grown in widely in this region. The Thar Desert lies in state Rajasthan in northwest India. Peninsular Plateau lies south to northern plains. Okay. Now let us look at the workout. Fill in the blanks. आपको fill in the blanks बताना है. कैपिटल ऑफ भूटान, भूटान का कैपिटल क्या है? तो सबसे पहले हम मैप में चलेंगे. मैप में देखेंगे कि भूटान कहाँ पर है. तो मैप में हम देखेंगे भूटान जो है नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट में है. ओके, यहाँ पर भूटान है. आप ये देख रहे हैं भूटान, और इसका कैपिटल क्या है? ये थिम्पू. सो आंसर इज कैपिटल ऑफ भूटान इज थिम्पू. थिम्पू. ओके. Next question is Islamabad is the capital of. So let us look at the map of Islamabad. Which country is capital of Islamabad? So Islamabad is here in Pakistan. So it is a capital of. It is the capital of Pakistan. Okay, capital of Pakistan. So Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Now next is question is an island country to the southeast India. Which country? Island country is the southeast India. So let us look at the map. On the map, this one is the southeast India in Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. This is called Sri Lanka. Okay, Sri Lanka is the island country to the southeast of India. Now next question is India is a border on the west and northwest by Pakistan and Afghanistan. Let us understand by following map. Once again we find here the map of India in northern western side. And as you know that in west side Pakistan is the neighboring country of India, and other country which share their border with Jammu Kashmir, a little part of Jammu Kashmir, it is called Afghanistan, and its location of Afghanistan is northwest of India. Okay, so right answer is Afghanistan. Now next question is the plateaus lie to the south of northern plains. Which plateau lies to the south of northern plains? So Peninsular plateaus lies to the south of northern plains. It is also called Deccan Plateau. Now next is choose the correct answer. The country that lies to the east of India. Which countries lies to the east of India? So in option, the right option is Myanmar is the country that lies to the east of India. Next question is the capital of Sri Lanka is Sri Jayawardhanepura Kotte, Bangkok, Singapore, Mahe. So Mahe is the capital of Maldives. Bangkok is the capital of Thailand. It is not neighboring country of our India. Singapore is the capital of Singapore, so it is also not a neighboring country of our India. And Sri Javardhanepura Kotte is the right answer, and it is the capital of Sri Lanka. Okay. Ranchi is the capital of which states is the capital of Ranchi? So let us look at the option. Chhattisgarh. It is not capital of Chhattisgarh, because Chhattisgarh has capital Raipur. Madhya Pradesh, it is also not a capital of Ranchi, because the Madhya Pradesh has capital is Bhopal. Jharkhand, so it is the right answer, because capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi, and Odisha the capital of Bhubaneswar, so it is also not a right answer. Northern plains extend from the northern plain extend from Himachal Pradesh to Nagaland, so it is not a right answer. Rajasthan to Punjab, so it is not answer. Delhi to Bihar, not. And Punjab to Assam, it is right answer. With the help of map, we can find the location of northern plains from Punjab to Assam. Okay, from Punjab to Assam in northern side, in the states of Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. The northern place lies within these states. Okay. So right answer is Punjab to Assam. The island that lies to the west of India, which island lies to the west of India? So right answer is the Lakshadweep Island. It is lies to the west of India in the Arabian Sea. The Andaman Nicobar Island lies to the east of India, so it is not right answer, and it is lies in the Bay of Bengal. Sri Lanka is the country which is an island country, so it is not right answer. And Singapore is the far away from India in Indian Ocean, so it is not right answer. Okay. Answer the following question. Where is India located? As we read about this question in the starting of lesson, that is, India is located in the southern part of Asia, and Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar are the neighboring countries of India. Name the capital of Afghanistan. So right answer is Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan. Next question is, how many states are there in India? How many union territories? Why is India divided into states and union territories? So we give the answer with combinedly, because there are 28 states and 8 union territories India have. India is divided into states and union territories because it is not possible to run the country's whole of the central government, so it is divided into states and union territories. Name the main physical regions. So the main physicals are northern plains, northern mountains, Deccan Plateau and coastal plains, Thar Desert and island. Name the island that are part of the India. There are 2 islands, the part of India, the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island. Okay, so in this lesson that's all. In next chapter we will explain about in next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.